How ironic it is. The countries that caused climate change are not affected by it. US, China, EU, Russia, Japan have been the global emitter of greenhouse gases since decades. These countries collectively account for more than half of the global emissions, making climate change worse. While countries affected by climate change only emits a small fraction of greenhouse gases. Pakistan is the best example. Pakistan is first on Climate Risk Index, yet it emits only 1% of global carbon dioxide emissions. Bangladesh, India, Congo, and Nigeria are also the most affected by the climate change, yet they do not contribute that much in the global emissions historically. To compensate these poor, underdeveloped, yet most affected nations by the climate change, a body called COP was created. COP stands for Conference of the Parties. It was created in 1995 by UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. It's the main decision-making body of the UNFCCC to combat climate change. It was decided in 2020 during COP27 meeting that rich nations and those that caused climate change will submit money in a fund created by COP. This money is then given to the climate affected nation to compensate their losses. But money is not yet collected because third world poor nations are affected. Why would they care about the lives of the poor? Even in 2025, Joe Biden, the great president of United States of America, the so-called leader of the world, withdrew from the fund by saying, we gave the money to fund, then it would be like admission of the guilt. We will give this money as aid, not as a compensation. This is the hypocrisy of these so-called free nations.